Alright, so I'm driving along Route 104 on Spruce Knob, the highest point in West Virginia. This is about 4,800 feet up, and I guess they call it Spruce Knob because there's some spruces up here. You have to come really high to get the spruces. There's even more rocks, and it goes even higher over there. Okay, I'm at the top of Spruce Knob at the East Overlook in West Virginia. This is about 20 miles south of Seneca Rocks. I decided to drive up here, and I'm hoping to find the bike trail that goes along Seneca Creek that's supposed to be up here. You can see the valley here. It's about June 9th, 2013, about 5 o'clock in the afternoon.